Hi guys! Today we're speaking about a quite famous rotary machine for tattoo and permanent makeup from the company Dragonhawk. Its name is Mast P10. This is tattoo machine for artists which only beginner to work and doesn't have a big budget. We ordered it on famous marketplace. I will leave the link in the description of the video. Would you like to know more details? Stay until the end of the video. Remember to share this with your friends. Let's start! My name is Olga Yakovleva. I am permanent makeup artist, trainer, cosmetologist and tattoo artist. I keep learning English and I can make little mistakes in pronunciation. I will be happy for your support, understanding and likes. Subscribe to the channel, leave comments and support us. All information in the video is the subjective opinion of the author. So please read the disclaimer in the description of the video. We already tell about the company Dragonhawk in last video reviews, so let's start talking the box. From the outside it looks like an ordinary white box with our name, tattoo machine Mast, and it doesn't have more any informations. Inside the box there's a foam rubber. It protects Mast P10 from damage during transportation. I'm seeing second box with a clip cord. The tattoo clip cord connector has RCA interface and ziplock bag with spare O-rings. Here's a Mast P10. It's a rotary pen. I have a black pen. I'm feeling it's a quite light device, the glossy body and a comfortable form factor. So I will talk more about Mast P10. You will don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I will tell you very interesting information and share relevant content with you. The company Dragonhawk confirms the machine weight is 117 grams. We will check it on the scales. The weight is not correct. It on the scales is 115 grams. Mast P10 has economic design and it doesn't have windage despite its length. It has more than 5 colors: black, gray, pink, blue, red and color custom. I bought this tattoo machine about $75. If you buy the kit with tattoo machine, price about $110. Grip's diameter is 25 mm. We can sterilize the grip because it's fully removed. The company Dragonhawk doesn't give information about the sterilization of grips. Based on my experience, I use disinfectant and autoclave for grips, but I don't use the high temperature sterilizer box because it can affect the color of grips. Mast P10 is compatible with tattoo cartridges from Vertex, Envy, Mast, Defender, Quadron, Cheyenne and others. The needle protrusion is adjusted by turning the grip. It's to 4.5 mm. Later we will test this tattoo machine with differences the needle protrusion. The stroke length is 3.5 mm. This is a factory setting that we cannot change. This tattoo machine is hybrid. Operating voltage is from 5 to 8 volts. Based on my experience, I use a working voltage for shading from 4 to 5.5 volts and for hair stroke from 6.5 to 7 volts. Mast P10 work with different power supplies, but I prefer power supplies with current strength about 2 amperes. Let's turn on it. I will work with power supply from Dragonhawk company. Its video review already we are seeing on my channel. Also, I use cartridge Big Wasp. I turn on voltage 5. The tattoo machine has vibration and noise, but I think not a lot. Guys, let's go! First test the shading. Pixels are smaller than, for example, pixels as tattoo machine Atom from the company Dragonhawk. The work is comfortable. Now I'm using the needle protrusion about 3 millimeters. The pigment flows well. I'm changing the needle protrusion to 4 millimeters. The pigments flow worse than with the needle protrusion about 3 millimeters. Therefore, I am finishing this work with 3 millimeters. I recommend to work on Mast P10 with the needle protrusion about 3 or 3.5 millimeters. Also, Mast P10 is a great device for mini tattoo. I worked with it about 1 year, but I don't recommend it for a big tattoo because a big tattoo is more needles in bunch and the machine won't handle. Our tattoo machine won't have enough power for work. It is a great device for whip shading technique. Well, let's sum up our video review. Mast P10 is from Chinese company with a history. The machine weight is about 117 grams. Its price is about $75. It does all kinds of works. powder, hair stroke, work with lips and eyelids, and mini tattoo. It works with different power supplies and compatibles with many cartridges from famous companies. This tattoo machine is well for PMU and tattoo artists which only begin to work and don't have a big budget. I will leave links where you can buy this device from video description. I will be happy for your support, understanding and likes. Subscribe to the channel, leave comments and support us. I wish you beautiful works. See you later.